Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got some exciting news for you. We're diving into the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, expected to hit the shelves in early 2024. The rumor has been buzzing with some fascinating features, and we're here to unpack them. So let's explore what might be in store for Samsung's next flagship. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. First up, let's talk about the powerhouse that might fuel the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Rumors suggest that the S24 Ultra could come equipped with either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or the Exynos 2400 chipset, depending on the market. Either way, we're expecting blazing fast performance that'll keep up with the most demanding tasks. And on the display front, get ready for a visual treat with a rumored 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth interactions and an immersive viewing experience. Now, let's dive into the camera system, the heart of any flagship smartphone. The S24 Ultra is said to introduce a game-changing 50-megapixel telephoto lens, potentially replacing one of the 10-megapixel zoom lenses found on its predecessor. This upgrade is poised to take zoom capabilities to a whole new level, promising unparalleled clarity and detail. Additionally, rumors hint at a larger main camera sensor, allowing the device to capture more light and deliver stunning low-light performance. Samsung is rumored to take a significant leap in AI-assisted features with the introduction of Samsung Gauss. Leveraging onboard artificial intelligence, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to offer enhanced functionalities, optimizing various aspects of the user experience. Whether it's improved battery management, smarter camera features, or intuitive AI-driven interactions, Samsung Gauss could bring a new level of intelligence to the smartphone. Beyond the internals, let's talk about the exterior. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to feature titanium sides, adding durability and a touch of elegance to its design. This premium material choice not only enhances the device's structural integrity but also contributes to a sophisticated and modern aesthetic. And there you have it, some exciting rumors surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. While these features are yet to be confirmed, they certainly paint a promising picture for Samsung's flagship lineup in 2024. What are your thoughts on these rumored specs? Are there any features you're particularly excited about? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tuned for the latest in the world of technology.